Everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Poonam Marwa. So today we are talking about if you overgive in a relationship, if you are performing the role of giving more and your relationships are not balanced because of that, your work life is not balanced, your life is not balanced overall. That is because overgiving brings imbalance. You give more, then there has to be some taker. So I will decode today why you have formed this pattern, how this pattern is impacting every area of your life and imbalancing it, why you are feeling hurt, you are feeling that other people are not giving equally, and how to dissolve this pattern, how to bring your life back to balance, from imbalance to balance, and how to improve your relationships, how to get better in your current relationships, and how to attract not the overtaker or emotionally unavailable people, but balanced people in your life. So when you come to balance, everything comes to balance. So out here is by overgiving we are imbalance. I also did not realize it for a very long time. I always thought that overgiving is good. I always thought that if I'm giving so much, it's good for everyone, it's good. But I never realized that by doing this, I am imbalancing my life. So if you are overgiving, if you are giving more in a relationship or in a job, in any area of life, so what life has to do? What kind of people you will attract? First is you are overgiver, then someone has to be overtaker, someone has to be taker to bring the balance. Because when you are overgiving, you have a overgiving identity, personality, nervous system. What happens is, if you don't perform that role, you feel restless, you don't feel good, you feel that something is missing, you feel that I have to do this to, maybe underlying is I feel important, I feel valued. Those are underlying things, will not go there today, maybe in some other pattern. But when you don't perform the role of, that is your core identity, that has become your core identity because of this pattern, then you feel restless, you don't feel good. So you have to perform that role till you bring yourself to balance or dissolve this pattern. Now where you will be able to perform this role easily? When some other person is ready to take. If you find someone who also has this personality of or identity of overgiving, then that person wants to give, you wants to give, then you will not feel good. You will feel good only when someone is ready to receive. So you will attract overtaker in your life. If you are emotionally available more, you will attract emotionally unavailable people. So can you see that now, why you are attracting these kind of people in your relationship? Because there is a imbalance, and life always brings the balance. Everywhere it has to bring the balance, in your life also. So what happens is, you start attracting, then when you are attracting takers, or you are attracting emotionally unavailable people, then definitely you will get hurt. You will feel that, oh, I am giving so much, why I am not getting back, why I am available for everyone, why people are not available for me? Because you are bringing the imbalance in your life, then other people are coming to just balance it. If you bring the balance, everything will be balanced. It's as simple as that, because I have done that. My life was completely, I was an overgiver, overworker, working more, giving more, more emotionally available. So I attracted those kind of partners, people, or jobs where I worked more, where I gave more. So, and that was the imbalance. Now I realize. So what happens is, so first thing is, you understand that why you are in your relationship. So when you are doing more in your relationship, there is no room left for the other person to do. He or she cannot match your capacity, and they cannot, because if you are doing 70%, 80%, then only 20% left for the other person to do. If you do 50% or 40, 50, 60, you move in this range, the other person will come forward and move in that range. So now we understand why this pattern was formed and how this pattern got formed. Like overgiving, there are pattern of overtaking also, emotionally unavailable people pattern also. These are all patterns that get formed in our childhood, adulthood. Why they got formed was because our parents, our loved ones, they want us to go succeed in life. So they follow some kind of structure. Like so they reward us, they appreciate us when we do more. So in your life, like in my childhood, I was rewarded more, I was appreciated a lot more when I did good in studies, when I did more in studies, I was very good in studies. So what happens is you start believing that, your nervous system start believing that if I do more, if I give more, I get more love, I get more rewards, I get more appreciation. So because our parents are doing that, or loved ones are doing that to support us so that we succeed in life, but our nervous system learns it like that, and we start repeating that with our friends, with our partners, everywhere we start performing that identity of overgiving, thinking that we'll get more. But we don't know that this pattern is creating imbalance, so we'll not get more, we'll get less. And that's the trap, we get less and then we get hurt, and we keep on looping in this loop again and again and again. So how now you have seen that how this pattern has formed, you have seen that how this pattern is creating imbalance by attracting opposite kind of people in your life. Now let's see how to dissolve this pattern and what it will bring to your life once you dissolve it. So just to dissolve this pattern, first you have to start seeing your life, how you are overperforming in every area. Just see that do you are you the one who jump to everything, okay, I will do this, I will arrange this party? Are you the person who is always available? Even if you have an important work, you make yourself available for your friends, relative. So you are putting yourself back and other people first in your life just because of this overgiving. So naturally you will expect them also to do the same for you, but they don't have that overgiving personality, first thing. Okay, and second, to bring the balance in your life, they have to receive. Okay, or if they are not ready to receive, they will avoid, they will leave, because they can't balance your overgiving, there is an imbalance. So just start seeing everywhere in your life where you are overgiving, overdoing, doing, over loving, being over emotional, over available. Just start seeing that. First thing is to see, and then sit with it. Whenever you see that, there will be restlessness comes in your body, you will feel tightening in your body, sensation come, just be with that sensation, let it complete its course. Okay, then when you come back to clarity and you have seen that pattern in one area or in one emotion, then start setting the boundaries, or start telling yourself, okay, I will do this much only. Slowly and gradually start reducing it. Don't do it in one go, because then your body will feel uncomfortable. You will feel restless. You will feel anxiety, because it's a very old pattern. And when you and your nervous system, your body, everything is not aligned. You have just learned that it's your pattern, and now you want to dissolve it. So everything has to come to balance. Your body has to learn that this new way of living. Your mind, your nervous system, everyone has to learn that it's a new way of living now for you. But if you do it abruptly, what happens is everything will go in imbalance, and there will be a conflict within you. One part will say, okay, no, I should overgive, the other part will say, no, I should stay in balance and maintain the boundaries. So start slowly. First part is to see. For anything to dissolve, just see it. See it will dissolve. Once you see it, the first layer will get dissolved. You will realize that what you are doing, and then start changing your life slowly and gradually. Start telling your nervous system it's safe to not overgive here. It's safe to stay back here and let the other person do. And don't expect that the people will start changing immediately. They will also learn that, okay, now I have to come forward and give now. So you have to leave few things on other people. You should not jump that, okay, I can do it better, so let me do it. The other people may not do it better, but they'll do it. Slowly and gradually your life will start changing. Slowly and gradually you will come back to yourself. You will maintain your boundaries. Your nervous system will learn that it's safe to not overgive, it's safe to stay in balance, it's safe to do whatever is required, and then step back and enjoy your life and bring the balance. So you have to integrate every part of your body, every cell of your body, from identity of overgiver to balanced person, where you maintain your boundaries, also you take care of yourself, you give love, kindness, compassion to yourself and then to others also, but in a balanced way. And if you have to overgive, if you feel like giving overgive, so overgive to yourself, because when you overgive to yourself, then it comes back in many multiple ways. Your nervous system feels safe, taken care of, you feel love, then you will feel so much love inside you when you give more to yourself, and from that cup you can give to other people, but without expectation. If you are giving and there is no expectation, then there is no problem. Then there is no problem is when we feel hurt, when we feel bad, why the other person is not giving back, why the other person is not meeting us where we are. They can't, it's not possible, because imbalance will attract someone who can balance it. It cannot attract someone who will more imbalance it, that you are overgiving, the other person is overgiving, then it will create a higher level of imbalance. So if you want to bring back balance to your life, if you want to bring back balance in your relationship, if you want to attract people who are not taker, who are giving you equally, who are balanced, you want to attract bosses who are not giving all the workload to you, then you have to bring balance in your own life. You have to come back from overgiver to a balanced person. You have to set boundaries in your own life. You have to tell your nervous system should feel safe. Okay, I'm safe by not overgiving, I'm safe by being balanced. And you start attracting that kind of people. Also people will start changing around you, reality will start changing around you. I've experienced this, and you can also experience this. Start today, dissolve this pattern and come back to balance. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video after. So what I'm doing is I'm planning to upload 3 long videos in 1 week, and every day short video. Okay, on Insta and Facebook and YouTube short also. So go check out that those shorts also, and give me your comments whether you like this video, you related to it, you could relate to it, you could find that this is your pattern. So just let me know in your in comments box, and let me know if you have this pattern, if you want me to decode and help you dissolve one of your pattern. So stay tuned, I'll keep on coming back with more such videos, and love you all, take care, and please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you so much, see you tomorrow.